When it comes to versatile cookware, the Cuisinel cast iron skillet plus lid is a game changer for any kitchen. This 2-in-1 multi-cooker combines a deep pot and a frying pan into one robust, pre-seasoned cast iron product, making it ideal for home cooks and professional chefs. Its adaptability across cooking methods, durability, and premium craftsmanship make it a worthy addition to your cookware collection. In this detailed review, we'll explore what makes this multi-cooker an essential kitchen tool and why it's capturing the attention of food enthusiasts everywhere. Why choose cast iron cookware? Cast iron cookware has been a cornerstone of cooking for centuries, loved for its even heat distribution and natural non-stick qualities when properly seasoned. The Cuisinel cast iron skillet takes these advantages to the next level, with a design that seamlessly transitions between frying, baking, grilling, and even induction cooking. Whether you're crafting artisan bread or searing a steak, this skillet and lid combo ensures perfection in every dish. Top features of the Cuisinel cast iron skillet plus lid. 1. Precision heat distribution. The smooth finish of this cast iron skillet ensures uniform heat distribution across the cooking surface. Say goodbye to hot spots and hello to evenly cooked meals, whether you're frying veggies or grilling proteins. 2. All-in-one cooking versatility. This 2-in-1 design is a true kitchen multitasker. You can use the skillet for frying crispy chicken, baking fresh bread, sautéing vegetables, grilling burgers, broiling dishes in the oven, braising hearty stews. From stovetops to ovens and even outdoor grills, its compatibility knows no bounds. 3. High-quality craftsmanship. Cuisinel is known for its premium craftsmanship. The cast iron skillet and lid are pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil, ensuring non-stick performance while protecting the cookware from rust. The skillet is built to endure years of rigorous use, making it a reliable kitchen companion. 4. Easy maintenance. Caring for cast iron can feel daunting, but Cuisinel simplifies the process. After use, wash by hand, dry it thoroughly over medium heat, and apply a light coat of oil. This routine keeps your skillet in pristine condition. Did you know? Pre-seasoned cast iron improves with age and use. Each time you cook with it, the seasoning develops further, enhancing its non-stick surface and enriching the flavors of your dishes. Who will love this product? Home cooks. Whether you're experimenting with gourmet recipes or making everyday meals, this skillet will meet your needs. Professional chefs. The versatility and durability make it an ideal tool for high-performance kitchens. Outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Perfect for campfires or backyard grilling. How does it compare? The Cuisinel cast iron skillet plus lid outshines competitors with its 2-in-1 functionality and exceptional quality. Unlike standalone skillets, the included lid doubles as a shallow pan, adding value and versatility to your cooking arsenal. Cooking made easy. Imagine frying your favorite dish on the stovetop, then transferring it seamlessly to the oven without switching pans. With the Cuisinel skillet, it's not just possible, it's effortless. Benefits of the Cuisinel cast iron skillet. 1. Built to last. Crafted from durable cast iron, this skillet can endure years of use without losing its effectiveness. 2. Eco-friendly choice. Unlike disposable non-stick pans, cast iron is a sustainable option that minimizes waste. 3. Enhances flavors over time. The natural seasoning process enriches flavors, turning ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. 4. Safe for all cooking surfaces. From induction cooktops to campfires, this skillet performs well anywhere. Imagine this. Picture baking a crusty loaf of bread, perfectly browned and fragrant, or a sizzling steak with a caramelized crust and tender center. The possibilities are endless with the Cuisinel cast iron skillet. Final verdict, should you buy it? The Cuisinel cast iron skillet plus lid is an investment in quality, versatility, and performance. Its 2-in-1 design, superior heat distribution, and durability make it a standout choice for anyone who loves cooking. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this multi-cooker will elevate your culinary skills. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.